Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the verification required message that shows up in the App Store. So let's get started. There are a few reasons you might be getting this message and I'll show you how to solve it. Most commonly, this happens because your payment method has expired or is no longer valid. This usually occurs if you had a trial or subscription and Apple tried to charge your account but couldn't due to the outdated payment info. To fix it, you need to update your payment method. But before that, it's a good idea to cancel any subscription you no longer need to avoid unwanted charges. To cancel a subscription, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're in your account settings, tap on your name and there you'll see the subscription section. Tap the subscription section and you'll see your active and inactive subscription here. In my case, I have an inactive subscription that I already canceled. If you want to cancel one, just tap on it and hit cancel subscription. But if you want to renew it instead, you can simply tap the renew option. Once that's done, go to your settings, tap your name at the top and wait for it to load. Then tap on Payment Shipping. When that page loads, select Add Payment Method and enter a new valid payment option. After updating your payment method, the verification required pop-up should stop appearing. And that's it. Thank you for watching.